Linking a bank account on Kraken is a straightforward process that allows you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Ensure that your account is verified to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to funding. Once logged in, go to the funding section of your account. This is where you can manage your deposits and withdrawals. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the funding section, look for the option to add a bank account. Click on it to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. Fill in the required information about your bank account, including the account number, routing number, and any other requested details. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Kraken account, allowing for easy transactions.